Hi everyone, it's Joelle and today we have a 10-minute yoga practice perfect for after a run or a workout. So let's begin by tucking the toes under, sitting back on the heels. You might need to help your little toes underneath. And you can keep the fingertips on the mat in front of you, if this is enough of a stretch. Or you might walk the hands back up onto the thighs and start nodding the head. So looking up at the ceiling, and then exhaling to bring the chin back down to the chest. Just a few times here with your breath. I know that this is intense for the feet. Stay with me. And then we can untuck those toes, bring the tops of the feet onto the mat. Bring the hands behind you and lift up the knees, stretching through the tops of the feet. And just holding here, you might like to rock the neck out from side to side this time. Finding a little bit of opening in the upper spine, squeezing the shoulder blades together behind you. And let's bring the head back to center, bring the knees back down, sliding the legs out from underneath you to maybe shake them out a little bit. And we'll bring the right foot back close to the right hip, keeping the knees alongside one another. And you could simply sit up tall on the palms of the hands, or you might have the space to release down onto the forearms. And think about a gentle engagement in the glutes here, tucking the tailbone under to feel a gentle stretch in the quadriceps of the right leg and maybe into the hip flexor. Very nice, and we can lift ourselves back up if you were down, keeping the legs as they are. Just inching your way forwards a little bit as we flex through the left foot, feeling a gentle opening in the calf and hamstring along the back side of that left leg. And a few deep breaths here. It's never about how far we go, particularly after the effort of a workout. It's just about giving the body a chance to slow down and release. Very nice, and we can free up that right foot, shake out the legs a little bit again. And we'll try the other side. So bringing the top of the left foot to the mat close to your left hip, maybe sitting up tall on fingertips. Or exhaling to walk the upper body back onto forearms. Engaging through the glutes once more. Perhaps this side feeling quite different from the first one. I often find that that's the case. So just allowing sensation to come and go. And thanking yourself for taking the time after your workout to give your body the space it needs. And let's sit up. And again, you can start to inch the fingertips forwards as we fold over that extended right leg, maybe flexing the foot for a little bit more intensity. Just a few deep breaths here, letting that upper body be heavy. Very nice. Let's come up. We're releasing that left foot out from underneath us. Shake it out. And let's bring the right knee on top of the left now into half shoelace pose. Reaching the right hand up and behind you, maybe holding onto your t-shirt or perhaps catching the fingertips of the other hand. And holding here, inhaling and exhaling, maybe closing the eyes. Gentle opening of that right hip, as well as the right shoulder. And let's let that go. We'll try the other side. So wiggling the left foot over towards the right hip, stacking the knees. Reaching the left arm up and over. And maybe holding onto that top elbow with the other hand. Or hooking onto the fingertips. You choose. And particularly in the arms, this is again one that might look quite different on different days or different sides. Just noticing asymmetries here in the body. And let's let that go. And we'll come into giraffe pose. So bending both legs with the sole of the right foot towards the left thigh. Sitting up nice and tall. And then bringing left hand onto right knee so that we can twist to look over the right shoulder. So really initiating the twist here from the waist. Finding length in the crown of the head. And then coming back through center, we'll release the right forearm onto the mat beside you as you reach the left arm up and over, lengthening through the side body. So really reaching those fingertips away from you. Noticing where you feel this, perhaps also in the lower back. And on your next exhale, straightening up and bringing the soles of both feet together to rock the knees out a little bit in butterfly pose. Letting the knees drop open. A few more deep breaths here. And very nice, so let's bring that right foot back towards the right hip, wiggling the left foot in close to the right thigh. Right hand holds the left knee so that we can twist to look over the left shoulder now. Again, finding that rotation, finding length in the spine, crown of the head, reaching for the sky. Letting those breaths calm the entire body and nervous system after the effort of our workout. Bringing the upper body back to center, lowering down onto your left forearm as you reach the right hand up and over. Finding length in those fingertips, all the way down into your right outer hip and lower back. And pressing the left hand down into the mat to straighten yourself back up. Releasing the legs. Find any seated position that is your favorite for today. Shake out the shoulders. Roll them back, and let's inhale the arms up to the sky. And exhaling them down to heart center. And well done today for taking the time after your workout. I thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that we can meet again soon. And I wish you a beautiful rest of your day, everyone.